So the European Space Deep Tech Innovation Centre, or ESDI for short, is a centre of excellence implemented under the leadership of ESA together with the Paul Scherrer Institute here in Switzerland. And we aim to accelerate technologies which are the forefront of science and engineering, which are also called deep tech, to make them usable on one hand for our own missions, for our own programs in the space domain, but at the same time also to see how we can accelerate the commercial use of these technologies, meaning that, for example, in the area of quantum technologies that can be used on a satellite could also benefit quantum computers or other applications here on Earth. So PSI is the local partner. We work very closely with them, and as part of the ETH domain, they are of course very well linked to the deep tech ecosystem of Switzerland, and Switzerland is ranking very high in deep tech research, but also in deep tech commercialization. And by working with PSI, we can tap into that. Secondly, the PSI is also in charge of a program called the Phi Lab, where they implement research activities in quantum technologies, in data science and material science, with the aim of bringing these to the use and to the doorsteps of ESA and its programs. So in the next 3 years, we want to achieve 3 objectives. The first one being that we want to find out and figure out whether this multidisciplinary collaboration and these activities that the Phi Lab is funding really lead to the desired results, and whether we can make these usable for our own purposes, but also whether these results are of interest for further commercial exploitation. Secondly, we want to figure out how we can bring to use this approach also to other programs of the agency, and how we can benefit in other programs from this rich deep tech ecosystem here in Switzerland. And thirdly, we want of course also to strengthen our presence here in Switzerland and to find out to which extent and what are the boundary conditions that would allow ESA to build up a more permanent presence in the country.